Rudyard
Joseph
Kipling.
Rudyard
Yeah.
Kipling.
Joseph Rudyard Kipling, and he wrote highly emotional and patriotic poem. This poem is highly emotional and patriotic. Okay, and don't get confused. Joseph Rudyard Kipling, he is an Indian writer. Okay, don't get confused with the name. Once again, I am going to read the first stanza. Land of our birth, we pledge to thee our love and toil in the years to be. When we are grown and take our race as men and women with our race. Here, Kipling speaks for all children of the country. It is not for, though he was an Indian writer, his feeling of patriotism for our country, but the poem is for each and every country, and it is for each and every citizen of the country. Okay, and they are telling that they are all the children of the country are very grateful to their motherland for all good things that she had done for them. They promised to love her, live for her in the land itself. They will serve her after growing up, just like their elders did. Children, when children are small, they are not capable enough to do all the work. So they are telling that they will look after the country. They will show their gratefulness for the country when they will grow. So that's why the line is written, when we are grown and take our place as men and women with our race. Now, what is your identity? You are not men or women. You are children. Should I start next stanza?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of thee? Replace to thee.
Which T-H-E-E.
Yes, ma'am.
First line. You are asking about
Yes, ma'am.
T-H-E-E-D. D is for
Yes.
you. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
This is English. Today's date is 7th October 2020. The children song. Author is J.R. Kipling. Understood? Till here it is clear? Are you people able to see the board or not?
No, ma'am.
Board is clear to everyone. Now it is more clear.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Earlier it
No,
was
ma'am.
more clear. I couldn't understand your no, ma'am. Is it clear or earlier it was more clear?
Earlier it was more clear.
पहले ज़्यादा better था. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Thought that it is signing. That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our line is D. D means you. It is Middle English. Okay. A poet like Shakespeare, they use means of that time, they used to write in this way. Okay. Next, may I start the next?
Yeah.
Next stanza
Yeah.
मैं start करूं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Father in heaven, who loves all, oh, help thy children when they call, that they may build from age to age an undefiled heritage. Father in heaven, who loves all. Who is Father in heaven?
God.
Can anyone tell me?
God.
Yeah, God. Here, God is being referred. Father in heaven is God. So, oh, help thy children when they call. Thy means you.
Ma'am, your.
Whose.
Yeah, thy means you.
Your.
So, help thy children, help your children when they call. Why the God should help the children? That they may build from age to age an undefiled heritage. Undefiled means pure. Here children are praying to God. And they are telling, God, help your children when they call you for help. Your children want to build over years a lot of culture, tradition, values in the society. They want to develop art, craft. Just a minute. So, the children want to inherit a grand heritage. Our country was famous for its good and okay. I will call you later on. I am in class. Students are calling.
Ma'am.
Understood? Yeah. Any doubt is there? Father in heaven who loves all. Father in heaven means God. God is, it is said that God is equal to everyone. And it is said, oh, help thy children when they call. So, they are praying God to help their children when they will call. And why the children want their help? The children wants their help because they want to make the country's culture pure and very means you can say that they want to keep the culture and tradition of the country intact. They want to enhance more and more. They want to contribute. The children want to contribute in the development of the nation. So they are praying God to help them when they call. Next, should I switch over to the next stanza?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Teachers, no, here, teachers to wear the yogic youth with steadfastness and careful truth, that in our time thy grace may give the truth whereby the nations live. Do I need to read the stanza once again?
मैम इसका मीनिंग भी समझ ही गए.
Yes, ma'am.
अगला पैरा पे चलिए.
हाँ क्लास ले रहे हैं कुछ खास बात. आ जाएंगे, अभी तो क्लास ले रहे हैं। ठीक ठीक। 11:30 तक। ठीक ठीक।
मैम वेटिंग रूम चेक कीजिए मैम एक बार।
मैम
So
मैम वेटिंग
which line we were doing? Teach us to wear the yoke in you with steadfastness and careful truth, that in our time thy grace may give the truth whereby the nations live. So here children are praying God to teach them to be steadfast, careful in truth, and be truthful. They are praying God to teach them
Ma'am?
to control their youthful anger, rude emotions, and work for good of society. Understood? Anywhere, any doubt? Anyone just answer me. Do you
No,
have
ma'am.
any doubt?
No ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I think some students are still waiting in waiting room. Can you check?
So should I switch over to the next stanza? Teach us to rule ourselves all.
Ma'am, please check the waiting room.
Okay,
Ma'am, are you hearing me?
waiting room. Just a minute. Okay. I have allowed everyone to join because now I don't think anyone is there without identification. If anyone comes without proper identification, please notify me. Okay. So teach us to rule ourselves always, control and cleanly night and day, that we may bring, if need arise, no measure worthless sacrifice. Teach the children to rule themselves nicely. Let them behave in a controlled manner. What is? Teach us to rule ourselves always. It is very easy to rule others. It is very easy to say others to do all the good work, to get up early in the morning, to do all the nice work, and to be honest, truthful. But it is equally difficult to do the same. So here what the children are asking, they are asking power so that they can learn to rule themselves, controlled and cleanly night and day. So if anyone learn to rule himself or herself, he has controlled and cleanly night and day. What is the meaning of controlled and cleanly night and day? Controlled and cleanly night and day means everything in under control. If you have not kept anything in pending, if you are not wrong in any field, your things will be under your control. Why they want this power? So that if necessity arises, they will be able to make useful sacrifices. They will be able to sacrifice for the nation, and their sacrifice will not go in vain. This is also important. Should I switch over to the next stanza?
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
इसका सेकंड लाइन समझ नहीं
Yes,
आया
ma'am.
अभी तक.
Second line, controlled and cleanly night and day. Should I explain it with your lifetime real example? Suppose that you have not read for the whole session. एक सेमेस्टर में आपने पूरी पढ़ाई करी ही नहीं. Suppose half yearly एग्जाम के पहले तुम पूरी पढ़ाई नहीं किए. तुम्हारा टारगेट है, your target is that you will be reading it within 15 days. तुम्हारा टारगेट है कि मैं तो दिन रात करके 15 days में पढ़ लूंगा, and you are capable of that. ये तुम में कैपेबिलिटी है कि एग्जाम के समय तुम 20 मीन्स 18 आवर्स 16 आवर्स स्पेंड कर सको, लेकिन अगर उस समय तुम्हारी तबीयत खराब हो गई या घर में कुछ ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आ गए जिससे तुमको तुम्हारा ध्यान उधर ज्यादा जरूरी हो गया, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देने के बदले, तो ये तुम चाह के भी ये तुम्हारे डे एंड नाइट तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में नहीं हुए, है ना। लेकिन अगर तुमने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट कर ली है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है एग्जामिनेशन के एक दिन पहले मिडनाइट ऑयल बर्न करने का। डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ बर्निंग मिडनाइट ऑयल? मींस लेट नाइट पढ़ाई करनी। तो अगर ये तुमने ऐसा तुमने अपने काम को पेंडिंग छोड़ रखा है, और सपोज दैट चीज अगर मम्मी की तबीयत खराब हो गई and you need to help her or you need to take her to a doctor, and so you will be able to, अगर तुम्हारी पढ़ाई पूरी हो गई है तो तुम वो हेल्प तो करोगे ना, हेल्प करने की स्थिति में रहोगे, नहीं तो फिर तुम्हारे मन में ये बात आएगी, ऐसी बात आएगी कि नहीं मुझे तो पढ़ाई करनी है, मम्मा आई कांट हेल्प यू। अब ये समझ में आ गई कंट्रोल्ड एंड क्लीनली नाइट एंड डे?
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गई ना? अंडरस्टूड? Should I switch over to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is Sanja, sorry, not line.
Yes, ma'am.
Teach us क्या था? हाँ, teach us the strength that cannot see by deed or thought to hurt the weak.
Ma'am,
That under the
हम एक स्टैंजा छोड़ दिए हैं आप।
Standard exam.
which stanza?
Teachers to look in
Teachers to
all our
look in all our ends.
मैम आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है।
Teachers to look in all our ends, on thee for judge and not our friends, that we with thee may walk uncowed by fear or favor of the crowd. Understood? Teach us to look in all our ends, मतलब everywhere we are able to look. Children want strength so that they are able to look everywhere. On thee for judge, not our friend. So God teach the children to care themselves in all way and all direction. They are the judge of their action, not their friends. Let them grow strong. Understood? So that way thee may walk uncowed by fear or favor of the crowd. Let them grow strong, brave, and not be humbled by crowds. Means they are not afraid. They are not supposed to be afraid of crowd. If you are right, why should you feel afraid of anyone? अगर मैं सही हूँ, अगर तुम सही हो तो क्या तुम्हें किसी से डरने की जरूरत है?
No, ma'am.
नहीं है ना?
No, ma'am.
नो मैम।
एक मिनट, नेक्स्ट लाइन यही है ना, टीचर्स डिलाइट इन सिंपल थिंग्स।
नो मैम।
No, ma'am. Teachers are strength that cannot see.
That's why your brain is.
What is the next stanza then?
Ma'am, teach us the
Teachers the
strength
strength
that cannot see.
see.
just the strength that cannot.
Teachers,
The strength that cannot see.
अच्छा, teach us strength
That
that
cannot.
cannot see by deed or thought to hurt the weak. That under thee we may possess man's this strength to comfort. Yeah, what is the line actually? It is I have taken man's To comfort man's distress.
And to
This was the
comfort
line.
man's distress.
Was this line teaches strength that cannot see by deed or thought to hurt the weak, that under thee we may possess to comfort man's to use man's strength to comfort the man's distress. Actually, what is the line? Exact line I didn't remember, but this was the meaning of that particular line. So, what the children want? Man's strength to comfort man's distress. Was it a teacher? I think I remember the line. Teach us the strength that cannot see by deed or thought to hurt the weak, that under thee we may possess man's strength to comfort man's distress. Here, children are praying God to give them strength. Why they want strength? That they cannot hurt anyone by their thought or action. They want power, they want strength so that they can help anyone who is in distress. Teach us to look in all our ends. This is the stanza. यही stanza है ना उसके बाद.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Delight in simple things.
Teacher delight in simple things.
No, ma'am.
Delight in simple things.
अच्छा. Teachers delight in simple things and mirth that has no bitter spring, forgiveness free of evil done, and love to all men beneath the sun. This is the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers delight in simple things. What the children want. Children are praying God to teach them. So they should be happy. They should feel joy in simple things. And love to all people. Beneath the sun. What is the meaning of beneath the sun? Means everyone. Here the poet has not separated the world into continents, into countries, into religion, into states. So everyone beneath the sun.
मैम यहाँ नीथ के पहले अपोस्ट्रोफी क्यों लगा है?
कहाँ पे एपोस्ट्रोफी से beneath the sun के पहले actually BE ये this is not the called apostrophe.
Ma'am, beneath नहीं है
ma'am.
Ma'am, beneath नहीं है, neath है.
मैम वहाँ beneath नहीं beneath है खाली.
You see,
Ma'am.
I am not getting my stuff. Okay, let me up. I don't know where did I keep the chalk? I was using it right now. I think it has fallen somewhere and I am not able to find it. Okay. So beneath BE यहाँ पे देखो BE नहीं है. तो जैसे I will हम लोग लिखते हैं तो I will कैसे लिखते हैं? I contraction mark. Oh, I got the chalk. Understood too. यहाँ how it is written? NEATH, and here contraction mark is there. It is written in the same way as we write I will. I contraction mark double L.
मैम मतलब ये beneath का contraction form है.
हाँ, ये contraction mark है. ये इसको हटा के हम लोग BE लिख सकते हैं. तो ये beneath the sun हो गया ना? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next line should be I am not getting the next line. Forgiveness free of evil done. ऐसा ही कुछ line होना चाहिए ना? Can anyone read the last stanza?
Yes, ma'am.
Land of our
Land
birth,
of our birth, our faith,
Our
our
faith
pride,
and our
for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee, head, heart, and hand through the years to be.
Head, heart, and hands through the years to be.
Yeah. Land of our birth, our faith, our pride. So here the poet calls his motherland as the land of his faith, pride, and birth. And so here he wants to prove his affection, his warm affection for the country. He is praising, and he is also telling that for whose dear sake our fathers died. Here the meaning of fathers is what? Means our
God.
forefathers, our ancestors. For whose, oh motherland, we place to thee. Means, oh motherland, we place to you. Head, heart, and hand through the years to be. Means, here head refers to mental power. Heart, emotional attachment. And hand, physical strength.
Ma'am, what?
Means physically, mentally, and emotionally, the children will love their country and they will serve their country wholeheartedly. Means you are engrossed in anything, physically, mentally, emotionally, means you have given your full. Isn't it?
Means second line समझ नहीं है.
Any other? I think this is the last line. H,
Yes,
H,
ma'am.
H. This is
Yes, ma'am.
a figure of speech also.
alliteration.
Yeah, very nice. Alliteration. So here, figure of speech used in the line is alliteration. Okay, do you people understood the poem or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Poem समझ में आ गई?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubt?
मैम लास्ट स्टैंजा का सेकंड लाइन समझ नहीं है.
Last stanza.
इसे बता दीजिए.
Land of our birth, our faith, our pride. For whose dear sake our fathers died. Oh motherland, we place to thee, head, heart, and hand to the years to be. Poet is calling his motherland as a land of his birth, faith, and pride. Means here he is showing his warm affection for his belongingness for the country. He belonged to the nation. And he is also telling that this is the country for whose sake, means for the sake of the country, our forefathers died. Many people lost their lives in the freedom struggle. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में तो बहुत सारे लोग अपने कंट्री के लिए लाइफ को सैक्रिफाइस किए थे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुतों का नाम तो हम लोगों को पता है. वी रिमेम्बर देम एंड वी पे प्रॉपर respect to them, but a few more are there whom we do not know. कुछ ऐसे भी तो लोग होंगे ना जिनका हम लोग नाम ही नहीं जानते हैं. Take example, जालियांवाला बाग मैसेकर.
इनको डिपिक्ट करने के लिए यहाँ फादर्स कहा गया है.
Ma'am, 100 people.
In this list, so many examples are there. We do not know the names. If you will see, यहाँ पे पटना में ही देखो, शहीद स्मारक. How many of you know the name of these 7 children? जितने 7 लोग ये है, सब मूर्ति हम लोग करते हैं ना. But do we remember the name of everyone? आज के बच्चों को तो एकदम नहीं पता होगा. Just this is a homework to know the name of these 7 martyrs of the nation, and they all belong to our place. Anytime the meeting will end.
Ma'am, what is the homework? Repeat.
One I have given, that is activity to know the name of that 7 martyrs of Patna, and you will be writing summary. Can you write summary of the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Anyone would like to ask anything? Otherwise, meeting may end
मैम
any
इस
moment.
पोयम में जो दी और दाए जैसा आर्केक वर्ड्स आया है मैम, इसका यूज पोयम के अलावा कहीं फॉर्मल है क्या?
He and die. ये देखो, these are middle English. ये अगर ऐसा ही कोई इसी मतलब इस एरा का कोई पोएम अगर रीडिंग सेक्शन में आ गया तो, isn't it? So we are supposed to know the words.
मैम पोयम के अलावा किसी और चीज जैसे स्टोरी ये सब में मैम इसका
No, we
यूज
should not
फॉर्मल है क्या?
नहीं, ये no, it is old English. ये पहले का इंग्लिश है, इसको अभी हम लोग नहीं यूज करेंगे. अब पोएम में है और हम लोग अपने नॉलेज के लिए जानेंगे. रीडिंग सेक्शन के पोएम में भी आ सकता है ये,